Hello, my friend, and welcome back to another junk journal with me. My name is Galit. Today, we're gonna do something a bit different. I have a small tray with unfinished projects or project that I haven't put them in my junk journal yet, and I have a bigger box with projects, but for now I want to tackle that small one, and I really wanted to use some elements and just put them in my junk journal so I can journal in them or use them in my next junk journaling. So let's start. I have all of these and I'm just showing you some of these, and I really want to use them in my junk journal because I just do something, or even if I didn't finish it, or I wanted to finish it, or it's finished and I haven't put it in my junk journal, I just want to go through them and just start hacking that pile. By the way, I just wanted to say that I'm so sorry that I didn't post any video on Tuesday. We had a meetup with the rescue dog that we actually did adopt on Tuesday. She is so cute and so tiny, and we named her Pixie, like a fairy. And I will do an entire junk journal very soon, full of her pictures and lots of pictures we took. But until then, you can go visit my Instagram to see lots of pictures of her, because I've already posted and I highlighted tons of pictures of her, so you can check her out there. I have this pink paper, and I think my niece decorated the front of it, so I'm just cutting it to half. I'm grabbing my junk journal. The first thing I want to put inside my junk journal is this very cute like a chest, treasure chest. It came from a children's book, I think, and I just decorated a while ago. It's a very old one. I decorated inside, and I put like a little window with I just put a picture of a boat, and inside I just put vellum and some stars that I cut. And inside this treasure chest, I just put this cute fold out that I made a while ago, and I just wanted to decorate it a bit with some stickers just before I journal inside. And yeah, I'm just journaling and putting it inside that treasure chest, and now I'm just searching if I want to add something on top of that page. Sorry about all the birds, it's spring and they're chirping a lot. I'm taking this half of the page that I tore, the pink one, and the other one is decorated, and I'm trying to make, I think, a pocket here, and I'm using double-sided tape to make the pocket, and this will be for a future junk journaling. I didn't want to add anything else to it. I love this image of the rose. It's from a magazine, and at the top it just said sweet memories, and on the side it has a peach washi tape. It's like a fabric washi tape, and it's so beautiful. I'm searching again for another page and a different project to put. My mom made this beautiful embroidery, and I just cut it and made it as a pocket. And now I'm trying to figure out if I want to put this old project that I've made and inside that pocket, but it's too big, so I end up choosing a little folder that I made a while ago, and yeah, it fits perfectly inside that pocket. On this book page, I really want to put this one. It's a little fold out that I've made a while ago, and it turned out very, very beautiful. It says at the cover, "We will all sing the song." Inside it says, "Welcome home," and what a lovely place. It's more about traveling. I'm using a washi tape and just to secure this little fold out a bit more. And I'm taking my paper bag and I wanted to use a tag, and I really, really love this tag. It's small and it fits perfectly there. So I'm just distressing it a bit. I'm using my vintage photo. And yeah, it fits perfectly in the dark spot. Now I'm just looking for another page to use. I'm making a huge, huge pocket. I really, really love how it turned out. I'm so sorry. My phone decided to lose the focus, so it just blurred everything that I wrote, but it's okay. And I just placed it inside that huge bucket. Now, this is something that I started and my niece finished. It's like a little folder with a few pockets inside, and I really wanted to add that on top of that page. And I just added double-sided tape and I added on top of that page, and it will be for future journaling. I really wanted to add this one, but I thought about using it as a tip-in, and I chose a different page to use it on. And I just used a washi tape to add it on the page as a tip-in. And yeah, I just added a little scrap of paper folded just to have for future journaling if I wanted. And yeah, these are the ones that I'm using right now. In the future I might add more. I really love how they turned out inside my junk journal. This was a very, very quick and easy junk journal with me. I'll see you in next week video, and until then, don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps so much. And I will see you next time. Bye.